Test Case Specification. A test case specification is a detailed document that provides information on individual test cases within a testing process. It includes step-by-step instructions on how to execute a particular test, along with expected results and other relevant details. Here are key features typically included in test case specification. Test case ID, a unique identifier for each test case, often a combination of letters and numbers. Test case description, a brief and clear description of the purpose and objective of the test case. Test objective, the specific goal or outcome the test case aims to achieve. Test environment, information about the environment in which the test case should be executed, including hardware, software, and configurations. Test data, specific data or conditions required for the test case to be executed. Test steps, a detailed step-by-step set of instructions to execute the test. Each step should be clear, unambiguous, and executable. Expected results, the anticipated outcome or output when the test case is executed successfully. Criteria for determining whether the test has passed or failed. Preconditions, necessary conditions or states that must exist before the test case can be executed. Post conditions, the expected conditions or states that should be present after the successful execution of the test case. Test dependencies, any dependencies on other test cases, components, or activities that need to be satisfied for the test case to be executed. Test execution date, the date when the test case was executed, useful for tracking and auditing purposes. Test executor, the name or identifier of the person who executed the test case. Test status, the result of the test's execution, pass, fail, or blocked. Any additional components, comments, or notes regarding the test execution. Defect references, links or references to any related defects or issues identified during the execution of the test case. Test case author, the person or team responsible for creating the test case. Test case version, the version number of the test case, helpful for tracking changes and updates. Traceability requirements, links or references to the specific requirements or user stories covered by the test case, ensures alignment with project objectives. Execution steps history, record of previous executions including dates, results, and any relevant comments useful for tracking the test case's history and performance over time. These features collectively provide comprehensive information for executing and validating the functionality of the specific aspects of the software or system under test. The clarity and completeness of the test case specification are essential for effective testing and quality assurance.